Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today we're going to be opening up this collector booster just to give you guys an idea of what you guys could pull from the Spider-Man set. So let's open this up. I'm super excited. I don't really know all of the chase cards in this set because I typically try to avoid spoilers as I'm just failing to open this up here. So let's use a knife and get this open. All right, there we go. So let's see, get a nice hot dog food token here in the back. Okay, let's see what we got. Sacrifice this land, search your library for a basic land card, put it onto the battlefield, tap, then shuffle. Okay, nice. Sack land. Okay, Venomized Cat has Death Touch. When this creature enters, mill 2 cards. It is a 3 to cast, 2/3 creature, common card. And I'm hoping we get the Soul Stone. If we get this, I will freak out. Let's see, it has flying. When this enters, another target creature you control gains flying until end of turn. It's a 5 to cast. That's not that impressive for that expensive of a card, in my opinion. Spider Manifestation. 2 to cast. Reach. You could pay, or it could add red or green. Whenever you cast a spell with mana value 4 or greater, untap this creature. Nice. The art on that looks pretty sick as well. Okay, I'm gonna go through. Ooh, Spider Rex. Okay, so this is the cool common card that I've been seeing a lot. I avoid spoilers, but this is one that I've seen come across a lot. It has Reach, Trample, Ward 2. It is a 6/6 creature, 6 to cast. Ooh, here we go. We got the Goblin. 2 to cast, Flying Haste. Whenever you discard a card, this gets +2/+0 until end of turn. It is a 1/2 creature. Okay, getting into the uncommons here. Madam Web is a 6 to cast. You may look at the top card of your library at any time. You may cast spider spells and non-creature spells from the top of your library. Whenever you attack, you may mill a card. It's a 4/4 creature. Costume Closet. Ooh, take a look at that art. 2 to cast. When this artifact enters, this artifact enters with 2 +1/+1 counters on it. You may tap it, move a +1/+1 counter from this artifact onto a target creature you control. Activate only as a sorcery. Whenever a modded creature you control leaves the battlefield, put a +1/+1 counter on this artifact. Interesting. I'm not sure how many modified creatures. I'm not even sure what would fall under that category. Heroes Hangout. We're just going to go through a little bit quicker just to get... Ooh, okay. Here's the land. So I'm not too sure how I feel about the art style of this set for the lands. It's just basically just web. And then just, is either a water drop, a tree, a flame. Okay, here's the rare. We got Spider-Ham, Peter Porker. It is 2 to cast. When this enters, create a food token. Really? That's it? Okay, other spiders and everything like that you control get +1/+1. Oh, this could be a fun card. So when it enters, so ETB trigger, and then it just basically buffs up every other type here. 2 to cast. That could be a fun card. Wonder if I'll put that in my token deck or not. That'll be something to debate. Okay, we have an enchantment here. It is a 4 to cast. Step 1, mill 5 cards. When you do, this saga deals damage equal to the greatest power among those creatures, or among creature cards in your graveyard to target creature. Target creature you control gets +2/+2 until end of turn. Return target creature from your graveyard to your hand. Okay, so it's not crazy powerful, in my opinion. All right, so 4 to cast. Oh, Peter Parker. When Peter enters, create a 2/1 green spider creature token with reach. Transform Peter. Activate only as a sorcery. We'll flip on to the other side. Ooh, amazing Spider-Man. Vigilance, reach. Each legendary spell you cast that's 1 or more colors has web slinging. That's pretty sick. And just look at this art. Wow. Yeah, I am loving this. That's super cool. All right, yeah, we'll move along there, but yeah, that's super neat. Okay, this is a 5 to cast instant. Choose 3. You may choose the same mode more than once. Am I reading that Okay. Counter target spell unless its controller pays 3. Return target creature to its owner's hand and draw a card. Choose 3. You may choose the same mode more than once. So you could do this more than one times. Is that my understanding? That's a mythic. Interesting. So you could either draw 3 cards, return 3 cards, or counter 3 spells. Is that? Interesting. I'll have to look more into that. And then we have another saga here. Until your next turn, each creature attacks each combat if able to, and attacks a player other than you if able to. Add 3 red. This saga deals 5 damage to each opponent. Ooh. That's pretty neat. This could be part of my Endless Punishment deck. I could add this in there. That'd be pretty fun to see. All right, what else? All right, and then we just got the robot token. All right, so I mean, I feel like I got some decent pulls here. So we got this rare, and then we have this mythic here, and then we got this mythic here. I feel like this, something tells me that this one is really good, but I think off the top of my head, I'm not too sure. I'll have to look into it. But yeah, then we got that rare there, Peter Porker. I'm pretty excited about that one as well, and the lands. But yeah, these are the cards that I'm most excited about. So yeah, I would say this is an awesome set. I love Spider-Man, and I love the art style that comes with all of these. So excited to add these into my deck one way or another.